Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Amazon application. So for that, first of all, you need to open the Google Play Store, as this video is for the Android users. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap open the Apple Store, and the following process is similar. So open Google Play Store. On the search bar, you type in Amazon. Tap on search. You can see the Amazon application on the very top of the search result. Now you need to tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. Amazon is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It is one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world. In Amazon, you can buy and sell millions of items in here. In Amazon, you can find all the products and you can also get it delivered without any shipping cost. You can see the application has been downloaded. Now you tap on open. With that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Amazon application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.